What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. We're going to go over Vechain. Happy Monday. Currently sitting at 0.046. We're up 0.29 on the day. Market cap 3.79 billion. 24-hour volume 321 million. We just hit our take profit on our Matic trade. We did get stopped out on Sol, but luckily our risk to reward is good. So we made some nice profits on Matic. You can gain completely free access to my trade signals if you hang around to the end of the video. So we've had a nice 5-wave move. This is the 4-hour chart. We have bearish divergence on the RSI as well as the money flow. So it would make sense to see some pullback. If we do see that in a wave 2, then what you'll look for is a bounce in between 0.026, 0.035. Really your best opportunity to get into crypto, into these altcoins before alt season starts if we do see that pullback. So you can see here wave 1 to the upside, wave 2 pullback, and then you push up, and at 3, 4, 5 to complete the larger wave 3. That's how it works. If you don't know about Elliott wave, there's plenty of good tutorials on YouTube. Best way to analyze the market, in my opinion. If we push a little bit higher, it is what it is. Then eventually you're going to pull back. But as of right now, we have a nice 5-wave move with bearish divergences. So if we pull back from here, this is your bounce zone, 0.026, 0.035. All right, gang, if we pop over to the weekly chart, we're printing the bullish cross, the buy and go to the beach signal, according to Coins Kid. And we have a beautiful wave 1 to the upside, wave 2 pullback. So if we pull back from here, see how this weekly candle closes, see if we get a topping tail. Pull back to those weekly EMAs, bounce, see you later, all the way up to 0.087 for our friend Vechain. So that's what I'm looking at. It's looking great. Would be healthy to see that pullback and give us another long opportunity, or if you're looking to get into Vechain as an investor, incredible opportunity. Pretty much this was the pump that was back in February, March, but really we came all the way back down to the bear market lows. So this is really the first good pump of the bull run, of the bull season, in my opinion, as I don't think you're going to come all the way back down to these lows like we previously did. So that's what I'm looking at for Vechain. If you want completely free access to my trading groups, which includes my daily technical analysis for many coins, my exact crypto trade setups, my forex signals, as well as one of our members is posting trade signals all day long. If you come, and all you have to do is sign up to Bitonix. Will take you 30 seconds. No KYC, no VPN, all around the world. One of the few exchanges you can trade futures in North America, up to $5,500 in bonuses. When you sign up, you get 10% back on every single one of your trades on your fees when you sign up through my link. It takes 30 seconds. All you have to do is sign up, send me an email. Completely free access, almost 3,000 members, my daily crypto analysis, my exact crypto trade setups, my forex signals, as well as one of our members posting trade signals all day long. All links down below. Go check them out. Smash up that like button, subscribe if you're new. See you in the next one. Much love. Take care.